Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 3. Three cubes each with 2 cm edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Sketch an oblique or isometric sketch of this cuboid. Let us draw this one. From here if we take here we'll take 2 unit. Let us take 2 unit. That is we are taking 2 units. 1 2 units, right? And height is also 2 unit, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 unit. Here also 2 unit, 1 plus 1 2 unit. This is also 2 unit, 1 plus 1, right? Let us first make one cube, that is let us take first one cube, that is 1 plus 1 2, right? Here also 1 plus 1 2. This is 1 plus 1 2, right? And here also you take 2 unit also again, that is 1 plus 1 2. It also 2 unit, 1 plus 1. This is 1, right? Or you can take this one only, that is no need to take this one. Let us rub this one. Now again take this one. This is 1 plus 1 2. This is also 1 plus 1 2. This is 1 and 1 2. This is also 2 1 and 2. You take this is 2 1 and 2, right? You also take 1 plus 1 2. This is 1 plus 1. This is 2, right? And this is also 2 1 plus 1. Take 2 1 plus 1. Yes, right. Now you take this one 2 1 plus 1, and this is as 2 1 plus 1 2, right? Here we have taken three cubes, that is 2 centimeter, 2 unit, 2 unit. This is also 2 unit. Then you can get this cuboid. That is right. It is 2 unit. It is also 2 unit, and it is also 2 unit, right? Then you get this type of cuboid. That is, if we write the name A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, F, and Z. This is the cuboid, right? We have taken 2 centimeter edge or 2 unit edge are placed side by side to form a cuboid. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.